Welcome to Alam Academy students. I'm your teacher Mohammed Faz Alam. Students, today we are going to explore a new chapter in maths, and the name of the chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this video we are going to see that how exactly this chapter is connected with our day-to-day life. We will see some practical use of this chapter in our life. We will see that how exactly we can solve if the pair of linear equations in two variable is given. We have like graphical method as well as we have algebraic method. So we will use these two methods to solve the equations and to find the value of two variables. Let's say that we have variable x and y. So we will find out the values of x and y by these two methods. So students, first we see the practical use of this chapter in our day to day life. Okay, सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं कि ये चैप्टर हमारे लाइफ से किस तरीके से कनेक्टेड है. So let's say that you have a friend and he goes to the market. वो market जाता है and what he does that he buys 3 kg apple, okay, and 2 kg orange, and the amount which he pays for it, that is 260 rupees. Okay, second day again he goes to the market and he buys 2 kg apple plus 1 kg orange, and he pays rupees 160 rupees. Okay, now your friend asks you that tell me the price of 1 kg apple or the price of 1 kg orange. So if you don't know about the pair of linear equation, then it will be a problem for you that how exactly you can tell the answer. Okay, but in case if you know the pair of linear equation, you can easily solve it. So in this video I will show you that how exactly by the help of like elimination method, by the help of a substitution method or cross multiplication method, we can solve these kinds of linear equations in two variables. So students, first we try to solve these two equations by the help of substitution method. For this, what we do that we consider the price of 1 kg apple is rupees x and the price of 1 kg orange is y. So now we get two equations here. The first equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 260. This is the first equation which we get. The second equation is 2x plus y equals to 160. In substitution method, what we do that हम क्या करते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में, या तो x को y के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं या y को x के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो हियर वी ट्राई टू रिप्रेजेंट y in terms of x. So second equation can be written as y equal to 160 minus 2x. Y equals to 160 minus 2x. Now put this value of y in equation 1. So we get 3x plus 2 into, at the place of y we write 160 minus 2x equals to 260. Now 3x plus 16 to 32, 320 minus 4x equals to 260. Okay, so now what we get, 3x minus 4x, we get minus x. Okay, and 260 minus 320, so minus x is equal to minus 0 and 660. Okay, so minus cancel, so x is equal to 60. So the price of 1 kg apple is equal to 60 rupees. Now put this value in equation 1 or 2 anywhere. So we put the value in equation 2. So 2 into 60 plus y equals to 160. 120 plus y equals to 160, and the value of y is equal to 160 minus 120, that is equal to 40. So x we have got here 60 and y we have got here 40. So students, as you have seen that in this method, what we have done that we have just changed the value of x in terms of y or the value of y in terms of x. So in substitution method, स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या करना है, x को या तो y के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करना है या y को x के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करना है और उसका वैल्यू दूसरी इक्वेशन में पुट कर देना है. इस तरीके से हम ये दो वेरिएबल्स x और y फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So now students, we talk about the next method that is known as elimination method. In elimination method, what exactly we do that we just remove one variable from the equations. Okay, either you can remove x or you can remove y. आप क्या कर सकते हो, या तो x वेरिएबल को रिमूव कर सकते हो या y वेरिएबल को रिमूव कर सकते हो. ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपका जो इक्वेशन दिया गया है उसमें से आप किस वेरिएबल को आसानी से रिमूव कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी हियर इन दीज टू इक्वेशंस, the coefficient of, in first equation the coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is 2. In second equation the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is 1. Okay, अगर आपको रिमूव करना है, जैसे कि दोनों कोएफिशिएंट को इक्वल करना होगा, या तो x के कोएफिशिएंट को आप इक्वल कर दें दोनों इक्वेशन में या y के कोएफिशिएंट को आप इक्वल कर दें दोनों इक्वेशन में. अगर x का दोनों इक्वेशन में आपको कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल करना होगा तो आपको दोनों इक्वेशन को एक इक्वेशन में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, 3 2 जा 6. ओके, एंड दूसरे इक्वेशन में आपको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. देन आपका दोनों में कोएफिशिएंट क्या होगा, 6 और 6 आएगा. ओके, सो it means that you have to multiply both equations. So we try to find out the next solution for it. अगर हम y के कोएफिशिएंट को इक्वल करना चाहें तो सिर्फ सेकेंड इक्वेशन में अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा इक्वेशन जो है दोनों कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल हो जाएगा दोनों इक्वेशन में. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डू दैट वी सिंपली ट्राई टू make equal the coefficient of y in these two equations. So we multiply the second equation with 2. Okay, so the second equation will be 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into y 2y equals to 160 into 2 320. Now let's say that it is equation number 3. Now if we see these two equation, equation number 1 and equation number 3, and equation 1 minus equation 3. Okay, so we have to write 3x 2y minus 4x plus 2y equal 260 minus 320. Okay, now 3x plus 2y minus 4x minus 2y equals to minus 60. Now you can see here that we have plus 2y and minus 2y. It means the result will be 0. So finally what we get here, 3x minus 4x. which is equal to minus x equals to minus 60. So minus minus cancel, x equals to 60. Now you can put the value of x in any equation. Let's say that we put the value of x in equation 2. So 2 into 60 plus y equals to 160. So 120 plus y equals to 160. Y equals to 160 minus 120, that is equal to 40. So again we have got the value of x 60 and the value of y 40 by the elimination method. So now students, we talk about the third method, that is known as cross multiplication method. For this method, first what we do, that we consider these two equations which is in a standard form. Okay, so as you can see that I have written here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now for finding the values of variable x and y, what we do, that we write b c a b, b c a b. Okay, again we write the same letters here, b c a b. Now in the first line we write 1 1 1 1. In the second line we write 2 2 2 2. Okay, here we write x and here we write y, here we write 1. Since it's a cross multiplication method, so what we do, that we cross multiply b with c2 and then we multiply b2 with c1. Okay, so for value of x we can write x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So in this way we can find out the value of the variable x. Now for finding the value of variable y, what we do, that we cross multiply c1 with a2 and c2 with a1. So we can write y equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and then the same in division we will write the same thing as we have written in the x, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so in this way, by using these two formula, we can find out the value of the two variables x and y. So students, the value of x can be written as you can see here, that when we multiply minus 160 into 2, so that is equal to minus 320, and minus into minus plus 260 into 1 260, divided by you can see here that plus 3 minus 4. So we can write minus 320 plus 260, that is equal to minus 60 divided by minus 1. So the value becomes minus 60 by minus 1. It can be written as 60. So the value of x is equal to 60. So for the value of y, what we do, that again we use the formula of y equals to c1 a2. So minus 260 into a2 we have 2 minus c2, that is minus 160 into a1, that is 3. divided by the same which we have used in x, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2. So here what we have got here, minus 260 into 2, that becomes minus 520, and minus into minus plus 16 into 3, 48. So plus 480, 3 minus 4. So 520 plus 480, that becomes minus 40 and minus 1. So that becomes 40. So again we have got the value of x, that is equal to 60, and the value of y, that is equal to 40. So students, as we have seen the three methods, the first one was substitution, second one was elimination, and the third one is cross multiplication method. I believe you all have understood all these three methods. Okay, in next video we will talk about the graphical method, and if you have any doubt in all these three methods, you can type it in comment box, you can ask it there. Okay, and if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it, share it with your friends as well. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.